All right, it's Blake here from Dex Mold and Dex Machine. I just wanted to make a quick video here to show you guys how easy it was to use the software. Um, yeah, so this is your guys' screen. This is your computer. I loaded Corel Draw on here. It's a perpetual license, so you could use it forever. Um, but yeah, I'll just get right into it here. So it's going to be pretty similar to the original video I showed you guys, so this is the file you sent me. So that just should load right up. For some reason it's down here. Okay, so yeah, this is the file you sent me. So these are probably basically the files you guys have. And so what you do is you export as a DXF. That's great. I'm just going to export it to the desktop for now so I can find it. I think this is kind of important. It should be AutoCAD R14, but this is it defaults to that. All right, so you save it as a DXF, and then this is a newer program for me, but it works really awesome. It's a full 4-axis program, so if you guys ever need to do tapered columns and kind of fancy cuts, you should have no problem there. Okay, so we're going to cut along a vector, and we're just going to find that file we just saved as a DXF. Okay, perfect. So what you want to see here is you want to select the poly line. We're cutting along a line, which is how you guys have your files drawn. So there's one file there. That's perfect. Keep only selected elements. So you just click on the one that you want to use, and it's highlighted, and there's only one here. So that's perfect. We're going to keep that. And then we go OK. All right, so now this gives us an opportunity just to make sure the wire is going to go through the correct direction. These little arrows here kind of give you an indication of how it's going to go, and if you can see, that's kind of on the left side of the shape there. That shows me that the wire is going to be coming along the bottom, or yeah, it's going to cut along. It's going to go the direction that we want it to go, is basically the point I'm trying to make here. If that little arrow is on the other side here, it would kind of be going a reverse direction, where it would come along the bottom and then cut out the top, and that's not what we want. But that looks correct. It'll default to this too, inverse sense. That's what you click if it's going the wrong way along the line. Anyways, so yeah, basically just as I loaded it in, I'm going to click Create Path. It goes blue, and then we can create G-code or other file formats, and we're going to export the path to 4-axis G-code, and we're going to save it again on the desktop just so I can find it easy. 6-inch starters. Okay, so that's great. We're gonna save that, and that's it. Really, I was kind of explaining things as I went, so it was a little bit slower. Than it should have been. If you guys were just doing it at the shop, it would be click, 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 and away you go. Okay, so basically then you open up Mach3 loader, and you double click on this profile there, and this program okay, so that I just have to turn on the actual motor driver to give a good demo. So I should have had that on, but anyway, so let's see here. Okay, perfect. So this is the program that runs the machine. And so basically, go to desktop, 6-inch starters, and that's it. Your file's loaded into the cutting program, and if you had your machine all set up and ready to go, and you just line your wire up with your 0 point in the corner there, and you'd hit start, and it would cut out the full block. So yeah, that was a really long-winded explanation, and that would be just really just a few clicks if you guys were all ready to roll. So anyways, thank you very much for watching. I think I made a video of the machine running with this file, so I'll post that as well. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Have an awesome day. Please let me know if you have any more questions.